Hello all, welcome. In this video, we are going to understand about three different types of AI, which is generative AI agents, and agentic systems. Okay, to make it easy, think of this as the evolution of a helper. We start with someone who can give us ideas, which is the generative AI. Then we move to someone who can perform a task, which is the AI agent, which executes an action, and then we move to a manager who can handle a whole project, which are the agentic systems. Okay, now to understand this even further, let's take an example of organizing a birthday party. Okay, now to organize any complex event, we require planning, okay, some kind of creativity, then execution and coordination. Okay, so let's see in this example how this three different levels of AI will help us. The first level is the generative AI, which is the creative consultant here. So generative AI is the idea generator. Okay, think of this as a very smart brain that has read almost every book and website in the world. So the core technology in generative AI is that it's a large language model which is trained on vast amounts of historical internet data. And what it does, it brainstorms different ideas. Like if we ask it for some five different space themed party ideas and to write an invitation copy or to sketch a concept for a rocket shaped cake, it will do it instantly. Okay, it will give us the ideas for that. The only catch in generative AI is that it has a knowledge cutoff date. It means it only knows what it has been taught in the past, and it does not have ability to take a physical action. So it's like a person who is very knowledgeable, but he has no hands to do anything. Okay, so if it can tell us how to bake a cake, but it cannot check our local bakery whether it's open or not, and it cannot actually buy the cake for us. Okay, so there is a separation from live real world system. It's like a static pre-trained data. Okay, it will just give us static data and it cannot execute the task for us. So the second level is the AI agents, which is the task specialist. Okay, the brain we just talked about, this is the brain with the tools. Okay, so the tools are things like access to the internet or any booking system. So this is an LLM which is connected to specific digital tools and APIs. So what if we don't just ask ideas, we want to give a goal. So in that case we use a AI agent. To AI agent we can tell, just order the rocket cake for us on this day, so it will autonomously execute the task for us. Okay, so this agent is autonomous. It works on its own. It will go to the bakery website. It will check the price and it will complete the order for us. So it starts doing the work. AI agent is connected to the real world system. It executes a task for us. So it takes an input goal. It utilizes a dedicated tool and it will autonomously complete the action. So if we tell them get us a cake, it where the goal is to get the cake, then the tool used here will be the bakery API. It will search the inventory, select the rocket kit, and it will process the payment. Okay, now the only thing with AI agent is that it has a single track limitation. AI agent is only excels at single task, but it struggles with evolving constraints or multi-step reasoning. What if the outdoor venue is booked, or what if it rains? So it will not be able to handle those kind of scenarios. It's just a narrow cake ordering agent. It will only perform just one task. It will not be able to adapt, or it will not be simply able to plan the whole event for us. Okay, so it will just order the cake and stop. What if we want to organize the whole event? What if we want the system to organize the entire event for us, not just ordering the cake? In that case, agentic AI comes into the picture. Agentic AI is the master event planner. Okay, it's a task specialist. It's a full party planner. It's basically the full party planner. So agentic AI is a sophisticated system where several agents work together like a team. Okay, so you give it a big complex goal, like plan a surprise party for 20 people under some budget. So it has different agents. It will have a weather agent, a venue agent, a budget agent. They'll all coordinate among themselves, and they will plan the entire event. Okay, so this system uses multi-step reasoning. Okay, it uses multi-step reasoning and a divide, conquer, and adapt approach. So this will evaluate. Agentic AI evaluates if any plan fails. It uses a multi-step reasoning to pivot and retry until the overarching goal is met. So what it the weather age like what it how will it will execute the event. Like in step one, the weather agent will check the forecast. If it detect rains, then it will alert the venue agent. Venue agent, what will it will do? It will if the outdoor venue is selected, it will block it, and then it will retry and try to book any indoor setup for us, and then the budget agent will approve the final cost. Okay, so this way, if the first plan fails, then it does not stop, it retires and adjusts the plan like any human professional would do. Okay, in real world, like in business application, how this agentic frameworks can be used, like we can use in business application to build autonomous corporate workflows. Like take an example of HR onboarding system. We can have different agents whenever a new employee wants to get enrolled in any corporate. Like first agent can add it to the HRMS system, second agent can send a welcome email, the third agent will then schedule a one-on-one meeting, the fourth agent will look into the provision of laptop. So like this, in business applications also we can use agentic AI to build complete autonomous workflows, right? So agentic AI, it's not a replacement of generative AI, right? It's an intelligent wrapper around it. Okay. So to summarize, wrap it up, generative AI is a consultant. Okay, it gives us information and creative text on what it already knows, based on what it already knows. Then the second is the AI agent. Okay, AI agent is the worker. It uses tools to finish a specific but a narrow job. Okay, like just making a booking or ordering something, right? And the third is the agentic AI. Agentic AI is kind of a manager which handles a long, complex goal by planning, reasoning, working through problems until the job is done, right? So it's like multi step planning and execution. So let's summarize this. So it's all about choosing the right level of intelligence. Generative AI is the consultant, AI agent is the specialist, agentic AI is the orchestrator. Generative AI answers and ideates, AI agent executes narrow tasks, and agentic AI solves complex goals. Generative AI is works on pre-trained data. AI agent works on single APIs, like it uses single APIs, and agentic AI uses multiple APIs and routing. Generative AI will give a singleton response. AI agent performs a linear execution, and agentic AI multi-step reasoning. Okay. Now, as we move from left to right, the AI becomes more capable of handling complex real-world puzzles on its own. And we are moving away from asking AI for answers and moving towards trusting AI with the outcomes. Okay, so this is the evolution of autonomous work. Hope this is clear. The difference between generative AI, AI agent, and agentic AI is clear now. Thank you.